Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Has been witnessing between 25,000 and 4,000 new COVID-19 cases every day for the past few weeks. But the rising cases in some states are raising the concern of the possible third wave. India is just at the tail end of a deadly second wave during which the country saw a severe shortage of hospital beds, oxygen and medicine. A third wave could make things difficult for India if adequate measures are not in place, especially since it had been predicted by the expert that the third wave could impact children more severely and at a large scale. In India reported 4,457 new coronavirus infection in the last 24 hours, taking the overall COVID-19 tally to 3,23,93,286 on Saturday, while the number of active cases declined to 3,61,340, the lowest in 151 days, according to the data from the Health Ministry on Saturday. Within 375 fresh fatalities, the COVID-19 death toll also climbed to 4,33,964, the Health Ministry said. India reported less than 50,000 daily cases for 55 consecutive days. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 94348 There is a Gunda Raj. There is a development of Gundas only. Syed MD Imran Rijvi, president of Asansol South Assembly Youth Congress, said this in an exclusive interview about development in Ahmednagar, where councillors are from a single family. Roads are in bad condition. Dirty water of drain could be seen on roads. Several accidents usually occur on Kala Jharia daily. Let us hear Mr. Syed Muhammad Imran Rijvi on this. It is to be noted in the connection that union committees were set up in Asansol, Raniganj, Katwa and Kalna according to the notification issued on 29 October 1850. These union committees carried out the function of municipality as Asansol municipality was set up on 1 July 1885 according to the notification dated 23 April 1885. Initially, the municipality covered the railway colony, the English area, Budhdanga village, Bastin Bazar, Pakka Bazar, Munshani Bazar and Talpokhar Chatti area. The first committee was formed with 7 government officials as an ex officio member and 12 nominated member. Over the year, Asansol grew considerably, and with the growth coal mining development of railways and growth of IISCO steel plant at Baranpur, Asansol Municipal Corporation was formed in 1994 with the addition of Baranpur Notified Area Authority, some rural part of Asansol Community Development Block and some colliery areas according to the Kolkata Gazette notification of 3 June 2015. The municipal area of Kulti, Raniganj, Chamudia were included within the jurisdiction of Asansol Municipal Corporation. Now Asansol Municipal Corporation administrator over an area of 326 km 126 square millimeters. As of 2011, the 2011 sequence, the Armentarians UA centered upon Asansol had a population of 1 crore 24 lakh 3,414. In addition to the Eastern Wild municipality of Kuldi, Jamuria and Raniganj subsequently incorporated into the AMC. This urban agglomeration was rated the second most population in West Bengal after Kolkata and 39th most population in India. The expanding Asansol UA has been listed by the European Research Institute as the 11th fastest growing urban area in India, the 42 fastest growing in India world after the formation of Asansol Municipal Corporation member of a single family owned councillors election, but nothing development could be seen here. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Ankodia, a 45 to 48 years old Ganu Bauria resident of Prablia Danga died on Saturday when the was hit by a truck laden with goods near Prablia Danga turn of Nituria police station. During this, the police immediately picked up the body and sent it to the Purulia Devin Mehto Sadar hospital for postmortem. The truck driver and the occupant filed. Police have seized the truck. According to the information, a truck laden with goods coming from Subhas Setu Gami coming from Nituria at high speed on Saturday grabbed Ganu Bauri in its grip. Ganu was badly injured in the incident. He was rushed to the Aramdih Block Hospital by the local, where doctor pronounced him dead. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Taniyat Social Welfare Society organized a blood donation test here in Karbala Maidan of Asansol. Several persons tested third groups, which is essential for treatment in the life. Dignitaries present were the President, MD Saddam, Secretary Dr. Hosham, all active member MD Samir, MD Sonu, MD Azad, and several other members. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Member of WBTSTA Paschim Bardhaman facilitated Sri Vidhan Upadhyay being appointed as the district president. AITIC Paschim Bardhaman Sri Abhijit Ghatak on being appointed as the district president. INTTUC Paschim Bardhaman and Sri Ujjwal Chatterjee being appointed as the district chairman. IATC Paschim Bardhaman. Member President were Sumit Roy, Divendu Shah, Ram Prakash Bhattacharya, Advaita Konar. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Vikas Prasad, according to him, political turmoil has started in Purulia with discovery of poster bearing the names of Maoist. Each other is being accused of conspiracy. According to the information on Friday poster, the information on the Friday poster with the name of the Maoist were found in the red ink. A bunch of posters bearing the names of Maoist were recovered from Baltimore area of Dil Tabau area of Barabazar police station area. The poster reads, "The hand of the husband of BJP members supporting Trinamool will be cut off." Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee in collaboration with the Municipal Corporation 3 vaccination camp was successful. Sujit Singh Sarkar, a free vaccination camp was organized on Saturday under the auspices of Central Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, Sikh Welfare Society and Raniganj Bazar Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee in collaboration with Asansol Municipal Corporation at Raniganj Bazar Gurdwara premises. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. After waiting for many days, 127 students of Achara Rajendra Institute were given mark sheet of higher secondary examination on the eve of Corona. The secondary and higher secondary examination were cancelled this year.
আজকে আমাদের আচরা স্কুলে 139 জন ছাত্রদের মধ্যে 127 জনের মার্কশিট চলে এসছে, এখন দেওয়া শুরু হয়ে গেছে। বাকি যে 12 জন তাদের এডমিট কার্ড চলে এসছে, তাদের মার্কশিটও সোমবার বা মঙ্গলবারে তারাও পেয়ে যাবে। এবং এটা সম্পূর্ণ আমাদের মাননীয় বিধায়কের প্রচেষ্টা উদ্যোগে আজকে এই কাজটা আমরা আদায় করতে পেরেছি। তার জন্য আমরা আমাদের মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে, শিক্ষা দপ্তরকে এবং আমাদের মা মাটি মানুষের সরকার যে মানবিক চেহারা তার পরিচয় আজকে দিয়েছেন, তাদের সকলকে ধন্যবাদ। এই যে ভুল হয়েছিল, ভুল তো মানুষেরই হয়, যে কোনো কারণে টেকনিক্যাল ভুল হয়েছিল, আগামী দিনে যেন ভুল না হয় তার জন্য আমরা নিশ্চয়ই এর উপরে নজর রাখব।
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Bengal State Transport Corporation SBSTC has issued 24/7 helpline number of the Convention of Female Passenger. These two numbers 9046003500 and 7699994 000 female passenger can contact SBSTC 24 hours a day for any kind of help. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. President of Veena State and being given job in many factories in Asansol city, and because of this the local youth of Jamuria and being driven on organization called Bangla Prakash. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Reporter Rajesh, according to him, today date 21 August 2021, the office bearers of Asansol Division of West Bengal Handi Jati Kalyan Samiti gave a banquet of Mr. Vidhan Upadhyay, MLA of Barabani block, and wished him all the best for becoming the new president of West Bardhaman district. Among the office bearers of Asansol Division of West Bengal Handi Jati Kalyan Samiti, Sri Manoj Kumar Handi ji. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. The festival of Muharram was celebrated in different parts of Silpanchal amidst the corona crisis. The Minister of State Law and Public Work Malay Ghatak reached Karbala across the railway line. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 95638302. Mysteries have been unraveling one after another since the raid on the sequence of miner in the Lachipur red light area of Asansol. From their illegal trade worth a crore of rupees is also being exposed. Gautam escaped after the arrest of several, including Raj Saloniki. The police are looking for him. Meanwhile, after the raid at Lachipur red light on the instruction of the Commissioner of Police, the audio of the conversation of a parking owner with the operator of the gambling den and main accused Gautam Viswas is going viral. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Maharudra Abhishek on behalf of Public Durga Puja and Akhara Committee and Mahavir Shan Mandir located on Asansol GT Road organized on this occasion worship of Lord Shiva and Vandra where organized Minister of State Law and PWD Department Malay Ghatak also arrived on the occasion. Now I am presenting SMS of News Moment. Rakhi is the thread that binds two souls in a bond of joy forever. And today I am remembering with joy the special tie we share and wishing you happiness and good luck forever. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.